Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you tasty treats that cater to everyone's needs. Today, we have something special in store for our diabetic friends. Get ready to indulge in some mouth-watering desserts that won't spike your blood sugar levels. That's right, we're bringing you delicious desserts for diabetics. Segment 1. Decadent Sugar-Free Chocolate Mousse. First up, we have a decadent sugar-free chocolate mousse that will satisfy your chocolate cravings without compromising your health. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar substitute, like stevia or erythritol, 1 cup of whipped cream, sugar-free. In a mixing bowl, combine the cocoa powder, almond milk, vanilla extract, and sugar substitute. Mix until smooth and creamy. Then gently fold in the whipped cream. Transfer the mousse into individual serving bowls and refrigerate for at least an hour. Voila! A velvety, guilt-free chocolate indulgence. Segment 2. Refreshing Berry Parfait. Next up, we have a refreshing berry parfait that's bursting with flavor and low in sugar. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, sugar-free. 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, like almonds or walnuts. 1 tablespoon of sugar-free granola. In a glass or jar, layer the Greek yogurt, mixed berries, chopped nuts, and sugar-free granola. Repeat the layers until you reach the top. Finish it off with a sprinkle of nuts and a few berries. This colorful and nutritious dessert will leave you feeling satisfied and guilt-free. Segment 3. Zesty Lemon Bars. Last but not least, we have zesty lemon bars that are tangy, sweet, and perfect for a sunny day. Here's what you'll need. -1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of sugar substitute, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, zest of 1 lemon, 2 eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degree F, 175 degree C. In a mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, coconut flour, sugar substitute, melted coconut oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, and eggs. Mix until well combined and a dough-like consistency is formed. Press the dough into a greased baking dish and bake for about 20-25 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely. Once cooled, cut into squares and dust with a sprinkle of powdered sugar substitute. These tangy lemon bars are the perfect balance of sweet and citrusy. And there you have it, folks. 3 delectable desserts for diabetics that prove you can still enjoy a sweet treat while managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult with your healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more diabetic-friendly recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We're here to support you on your journey to a healthier and happier lifestyle. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay sweet and stay healthy.